Hi, my name is Amy Woodcock. I'm a first grade teacher in Fredonia, Kansas. Fredonia is a 3A school located in rural southeast Kansas. Me as a teacher. I just completed my 14th year in elementary education. Most of my teaching has been in kindergarten and first grade. Teaching little ones is my passion. I'm a non-traditional teacher. I received my credentials through the Arkansas Board of Education. I have my BSN, though, through Washburn University, which is located in Topeka, Kansas. I practiced nursing for 10 years, and I'm currently working towards my master's in reading. My family. They're a big part of me and what keeps me going every day, so I can't introduce myself without introducing them as well. I'm married to my college sweetheart, who is my building principal. I'm a very proud mother of 3 children. Our son just graduated from K-State this spring and is entering KU School of Medicine this fall, and our daughter is a junior at K-State, majoring in elementary education. Our youngest son, Noah, will be a sophomore at Fredonia High School. He has special needs and teaches me life lessons every day. The assessments that we have in place here in Fredonia is the Ames Web Plus Quick Phonics Screener, which is a QPS, the PAST with a Phonological Awareness Screening Test, ACT Aspire, and Kansas State assessments. How is the data used to inform stakeholders and guide instruction in our district? At the elementary level, we adopted Ames Web Plus 2 years ago when my husband and I came to be part of the Yellow Jacket Nation. We use this to group our kids into our MTSS reading, and we test for reading and math. We've just had implemented the MTSS model for intervention for reading 2 years ago when we adopted Ames Web. But now we're super excited because we're going to bring on a math intervention piece as well. We'll be able to use those math scores because we definitely see a need for that in our buildings. The Ames Web is used for K through 6. And then we also have our teachers. I'm a part of the SIT team. So as a teacher in our building, we use that data to see if our interventions are working and what other things we can bring in when we have students that are brought to our SIT process. With the QPS and PAST, we do, after we've done our Ames Web every quarter, we then go in and do the Quick Phonics Screener, especially with our K1-2 students and then any other struggling students that might have gaps with their phonics skills. PAST is mainly done for kindergarten and maybe students that are in special ed. We use this data as well as part of our SIT process. And then also, of course, the Kansas State assessments, we do the benchmark ones that are given through the year, and then, of course, at the end of the year as well. At the junior high school level, they give ACT Aspire. We did do that up to last year in our building for the 3 through 6 students, but we just felt like with everything else going on, we felt like we were just testing. So we had to take something off of our plate. So that's what everybody came together as far as the administrators and other building leaders and decided to do. So, but at the junior high school level, they give the ACT Aspire and the Kansas assessment as well. What I'm looking forward to learning, what other districts are using as far as assessments and data to improve students. This I would like to know at the pre-K level, all the way up into the high school levels. I know that I am more comfortable, of course, at the lower elementary, so just being more comfortable and confident, being able to break down information and sharing it with colleagues and other stakeholders for those students that are in 3-6 or in the upper high school levels. So, because I want to be able to share my knowledge with them confidently. And I'm really looking forward to this class, learning all from you. Thank you so much. Have a great day.